Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's video, we are going to be learning how you can log out of the popular eToro application on your mobile device, whether you are using an iOS or Android. In this video, I'm going to use my iOS device, but if you are using Android, the process is similar. First of all, open your eToro application on your mobile device and make sure you are inside the home page. Once you're in the home page, tap on the horizontal menu button at the top left corner. This will open up this expanded menu where you will need to scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out. Soon after you click on the Log Out button, you will be redirected to the login page, which means you have successfully signed out of your eToro application using your mobile device. So that is how you can easily log out of eToro. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.